Habit of sucking is not only common to baby human, a baby elephant does the same thing, but they suck their trunks just as babies sucks on their lips or thumbs, and they do it for the same reasons, for comfort, and they also suck on their trunk for nourishment. Frogs makes croaking sounds for different reason. Sometimes they croak to protect themselves from predators and also to chase off other frogs from their territories, but one shocking reason why they croak is to attract the female, and the female select males based on the sound of its croaks. Most wild cats roars, but the fastest of them all, the cheetah, meows just like the regular house cat, and this is because they do not have big vocal cord like other wild cats do. Know this, as long as after night follows morning, and after spring follows summer, if you keep working on your goals and you don't give up, you will surely succeed.